Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. Today, if you look behind me, you're gonna know where we are, and if not, we are at Typhoon Lagoon. Let's go have some fun. Just kind of want to give you a look out here into the wave pool, guys. And what's cool is, look, you can see the balloon from Disney Springs. I think you guys can see that in the camera right over there. That's really neat. Very busy today. We ended up finding a spot. It's late afternoon, it's about 3:30, and we're kind of up. As you can see, there's like a water slide right here, right by the big pool, and we found a spot up here. We like to come a little bit later because we live close by, so we usually come in a later afternoon if we have work to do in the morning or errands to run. Today the park hours were 10 to 6. It's about 3:30, so it gives us 2.5 good hours just to have some fun. So we're gonna go on some rides, we're gonna go in the wave pool, try to have a snack. There is a certain snack Roberta wants to have, so stay tuned. We've never had it. We're gonna bring you that in this vlog as well. Okay guys, I gotta show you our little setup when we come to the parks. First of all, we have our 2021 Mickey bag, which we love for the water parks. Very convenient. And here's a blast from the past, you guys. Wet and Wild Orlando. We did buy this at Wet and Wild. We also have a Walt Disney towel, but for my Brazilian friends, you guys already know what these are. Roberta, show that. All right, you've already said the name, but for everybody else who's not familiar with the Brazilian culture, those are called, Roberta, canga? Canga. And I'm just gonna give you a little quick summary of a canga, the history of the canga, because I learned all about it being married to Roberta over here. In Brazil, it's so hot. You go to Copacabana Beach, and all they bring are these right here. All you bring is a canga because you dry off so quick and they're light. They're not heavy like a towel. You can wrap them around your bathing suit. You can use them on the sand. They're awesome and they dry really quickly. As well as when you are in Brazil, the beaches are great because you get to the beach, that's all you bring. You don't bring food, you don't bring anything, because here they come running. People are they have vendors with all the chairs and the coconuts and the food, and they come all around. It's like being at a sporting event. So I know all my Brazilian friends watching, you guys know all about it, but I figured I'd share that with some of the other people that enjoy watching Medling World, just so you can have a little bit of a idea of Roberta's culture as well. So there's our history lesson for the day. Let's go have some fun let's start out in a wave pool, guys. Let's go. Want to show you all how busy it is in a wave pool today, Roberta and Jake, huh? Busiest I've seen it here in quite a while. Whoop, sorry guys. I apologize, I'm holding the GoPro. I kind of have a wrist strap, but right now I'm just holding that strap, so I'll do the best I can. I didn't want to walk around with the stick, so if I go on a ride I can just strap on, but it is Easter weekend. It's Saturday before Easter, and plenty of tourists, plenty of locals like us enjoying a beautiful April day. I got to show you guys the waves in this pool. As soon as they come, you got to check this out. As we're waiting for the wave, you can see the wrecked ship up there, Typhoon Lagoon. Obviously, you're kind of themed on an island that was struck by a big storm, a typhoon, as you could say, and everything's kind of like broken down. But I believe the ship is called Tilly, is the name of that ship up there. So we're just waiting on that big wave right now. So we've been waiting a good, what, 10 minutes? We're still waiting for the big waves, but I do want to point out that it's so busy today, which is pretty cool. They actually, I don't know if you can see them, but they have a few lifeguards actually out here in the crowd. There's one right in front of us. You probably can't see him, but he's got the big, you know, that big red float. It's going by with the white hat over there, which is really nice to have, just a little bit of extra safety with Disney. Hopefully this wave will be here in a minute, and I can show you this wave is like so cool. This is our favorite thing here, I think, at Typhoon Lagoon. Well, I should say it's Jake's favorite wave pool in all of Orlando. And now we hear the blast off sound. Here we go. Check it out. That's so fun. Make sure if you got a hat, put this up and hold your sunglasses. It's very forceful. As you can see. was a really good one. I know you saw how strong those waves were, but I do want to show you something cool that Typhoon Lagoon does offer for free. Life vests. So if you're not a strong swimmer or you have younger children that want to enjoy that wave pool, you can definitely use those complimentary. Also, they have a Joffrey's here. Got, you know, a little bar too. You can add some alcohol, different drinks. Let me show you the menu real quick while there's no line. You guys can see the menu. Seasonal beverage, game changer, cold brew coffee with a shot of espresso, Irish cream syrup, and white cream. Wow. The cool thing here is there are a lot of different food options. Like I said, Roberta has something she wants to try today. And we're going to see if we can get to that in a little bit while, because some of the people start to leave as it gets later, hopefully. And we're on our way to check out a water slide now. One little way that I've learned when I was at any of the water parks is you can kind of look through the lazy river and kind of see how many tubes are unoccupied, right? There's a few, but not many, so you can tell there's a lot of people, right? So it's pretty busy. But there are several, so you probably don't have to wait too long to get one. Another quick service here, everybody. Typhoon Tillies. Let me bring you just right over here to the menu so you guys can see what they have. Fish tacos. Oh, that looks pretty good. I would probably pick that. Oh, shrimp. Fish and chips. I think I would go with this right here if I had to pick. And then, of course, they have some kids menus. So another option here for some quick service. Everywhere you kind of walk around, you're gonna find food. That's what's really neat here at Typhoon Lagoon. A lot of little kiosks with plenty of snacks. And I'll show you a few more as I go around, trying to figure out what ride we can get on. So there's a family ride here. We're gonna try it right now. It said it was like a 30-minute wait. And let's see, what's the exact time, Roberta, right now?
4:19.
All right, so I think it was what, about 4:20 when we came on the line, if I can remember right. And it is what, Roberta?
36.
4:36, so 15 minutes or so. And it did say 30 minutes, so that was cool. Took half the time. And this ride's a lot of fun. We're going to show you as soon as we get up to the top.
Please remain seated.
So what's cool about this, guys, is you enter the ground level, and then you have an escalator that brings you up, so you don't have to walk upstairs.
Yeah.
This is, I think, about the only one I can think offhand out of any of the parks that actually do that.
And a shout out to Teresa.
And a shout out to Teresa from the college program, who was an awesome cast member, and had a chance to chat with her. All right, we'll resume it as soon as we get up to the top. No, maybe not.
Honest to us, you should have seen it. Speaking of Simas.
Guys, and you have to have one hand on the handle. Now going backwards. When you go backwards, it's just a surprise. I don't know what's coming. What's coming? I never know. Whoa! We're going in the tunnel, in the darkness. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh, that water's nice and warm too.
Yeah.
Oh, another one. Very nice. we're heading to our next slide. I do want to tell you the name of that ride we were on was called Adventure Falls, and it's really cool because it's 2 to 4 people per raft. So I really like that as a family kind of ride. You can do 2 people in the big raft, or you can do up to 4, which is really, really cool. And also, we will be going to the ticketed after hours event here, which begins in May. I believe we're going to go the first night. So please take a moment now, subscribe to Medling World. You're not going to want to miss that vlog. It's called H2 Glow after hours event here at Typhoon Lagoon. Separate ticketed event, so capacity will be a little bit lower than usual. And the cool thing about it is it includes some beverages and snacks. They weren't really specific on what those snacks and beverages will be, but we're just looking forward to it, and we'll bring it all to you. So don't forget to subscribe. Let's go on another ride. We're going to try these slides next, storm sliders. Here's a little information about the slides, and it says it's a 5-minute wait, so this is truly a walk-on. Let's go for a ride. Some more of the cool theming here, as you can see. It looked like somebody might have been on a little honeymoon while they got stranded here at Typhoon Lagoon. That's pretty neat, man. There's Miss Tilly, guys, with the sun. Wow, so cool. Alright guys, here we go. Some problems with the slide, so it actually took about 30 minutes, not 5 minutes. Somebody definitely moved the sign. Here we go, guys. Oh yeah. Now I want to show you something. If you lean on your back and arch your feet, you really get some speed going like that. Oh yeah, less friction with your back not dragging. And I'm really moving down here, guys. I'm really cooking. This is fast. Try that. Shoulder blades and your feet, and here we go. Oh wow, that was so cool, guys. Wow, so let me just recap that one. I know I already showed you the name of the slide and all that, but I did show you the wait time. Said 5 minutes. Guess what? Took 35 minutes. First thing is, I guess what happens is here at Typhoon Lagoon, you know, it's built I think in the 90s maybe. It's an older water park, so the wait times are just kind of like a spinning disc. So anybody can just spin that and adjust it. So I think somebody moved it from maybe 30 minutes to 5 minutes. Second thing was there was a technical problem with the red light and the green light, which tells you when to go down the slide. It'll show red. When it turns green, you go down. Those weren't working, so that the cast member had to physically count every 10 seconds. So
24 seconds.
Well, how much?
24 seconds.
24 seconds. So she was actually going 1, 2, 3, and then when she hit 24, okay, go ahead. So I'm sure that obviously slowed it down. As we're walking over to get our ice cream, I do want to mention that Typhoon Lagoon, you do not need a reservation for Typhoon Lagoon. So if you have an annual pass with the water park option on it, you do not need a reservation. You can just show up and come in.
Or ticket.
What?
Or ticket.
Or ticket, yeah, you can walk up and just buy a ticket and come in. So again, Typhoon Lagoon is not part of the reservation system here at Walt Disney World, which is cool. So yeah, if you're here and you can't get into one of the regular theme parks, you can always come to Typhoon Lagoon. So just across the lazy river here, just to give you some logistics of where you can get this ice cream Roberta wants to get. I believe it's there. We're going to find out. Looking from here, I'm not sure I see the beach bucket one, but we'll find out. Wave pool there. Come right across. Ice cream right across the bridge right here, guys. Let's go check it out. We're gonna get this one, guys. It's the Ice Dream Sand Pail Sundae. It's $16. We'll see if they take the pass holder discount. I'm not sure they do, but you can read there everything that comes with it. And it comes in a 50th anniversary sand pail bucket. That's gonna be awesome. Let's go get it and try it. Wow, this thing's so cool. Let me just do a nice little 50th with the nice iridescent colors on the top, on the sprinkles, with the cherry, and I think, is it the castle on there, Roberta?
Yeah, $1.50, yeah, in the
And the
casa.
bucket, the beach pail. Mickey. Oh, I like that Mickey. Oh, that's Blizzard Beach. That's
I think there's
Blizzard Beach.
both. I
Let's
think
see,
there's
spin it
both.
right around for us, Roberta. There's
Yeah?
Donald, and
And
there's
that's-
Miss Tilly. Oh, that's really nice. We're gonna go ahead, dig into this, guys, and let you know what we think. Jake's getting honors first. I can't wait to see what it looks like. Oh, it's got like some blue ice cream in there. Go ahead, Jake. Let me
The-
grab a spoon, Roberta.
The iridescent one.
I did show everybody, by the way, Roberta, I showed them what was in it on the menu.
Yeah.
Oh, look it, it's got some green in there. Let me try it.
How's the ice cream?
Pretty good.
Good?
It's really good.
Did you get the cake?
Oh, wow. Oh, we lost one. It's got like the crumbles there, I guess. I didn't even read what was in it, guys. I apologize, but it tastes really good.
Jake, what is your score?
That's an 8 out of 10.
That's an 8. Matthew?
Well, I'm gonna give it a solid, I think just because it's got really cool flavors for ice cream, and with that cookie crumble in there, I'm gonna give it an 8.5 on this for sure. Really good, and I think it's worth getting to share with your family.
It's a little bit
for the
pricey.
price.
Though. Yeah,
But-
but you keep the
Yeah.
bucket. And by the way, your guy's mouth is blue, by the way. So keep in mind, you're gonna get a blue mouth. Did you guys get to the cake?
Let's see. Oh, there's cake on the bottom. Hang on, guys. Oh, wow. You can see the
It's
cake.
like yeah, it's a birthday cake, I think.
All right, let me try that.
I don't really taste the cake.
That's good.
Good?
I mean, it's really good. It's worth getting. It's just different. It's a different kind of an ice cream treat. I really like it. 8.5. Wow, that ice cream's so good. I just wanted to mention, yeah, it's $15.99 for the bucket. Sounds expensive, but when you break it down for like Roberta, Jake, and I, it's a little over $5 each. And when you look at it through a price like that, definitely think the value is worth it, and it's just really cool, and you get to keep the pail. So guys, I think we'll end the vlog here with Miss Tilly in the background. Such an awesome fun afternoon here at Typhoon Lagoon. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World, and last but not least, see ya!